Hey, I'm Sanket, a professional game developer with over 5 years of experience in Unity and Unreal Engine. I have completed more than 95 projects here on Upwork, earned top rated plus badge, and maintain a 100% job success score. Now, let me show you some of my projects I have delivered. This is Evloon, a science fictional multiplayer game built in Unreal Engine 5. It features fully customizable avatars, seamless multiplayer support, and a in-game store system. Next, here is a mobile login system built using Unity using JWT authentication. It's clean, secure, and designed for cross-platform use. And finally, here is MetaHuman plus AI Logic Fusion project developed in Unreal Engine 5. It combines lifelike character with real-time debugging and cinematic visuals using both blueprints and C++. These are just few highlights. I have worked on wide range of games from 2D prototype to a full-scale AR/VR simulations. Let me now give you a quick look at my setup. I use a custom-built PC with Intel i7 1370K, RTX 4070 Ti, and 64GB RAM, optimized for real-time game development. For testing and publishing across platforms, I work with a MacBook Pro M2, iPhone 16 Plus, and a Android phone. I also use advanced hardwares including Leap Motion Controller, MetaQuest 2, and a Logitech G29 racing steering wheel with pedals and shifter, ideal for VR and driving game development. If you are looking for someone who understands both technical and creative side of game development, I would love to help bring your vision to life. Let's connect and build something great together.